Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel EduBright Karnataka. In this video, we will discuss types of chemical reactions. Already we discussed about what is a chemical reaction, what is a chemical equation, and how to write a chemical equation and balanced chemical equation. Let us know about types of chemical. Let us know about types of chemical reactions. Dear students, we have learned that during a chemical reaction, atoms of one element do not change into those of another element, nor do atoms disappear from the mixture or appear from elsewhere. Actually, chemical reactions involve the breaking and making of bonds between atoms to produce new substance. Chemical reaction means two or more reactants react together and produce a new substance or substances. Actually, there are many types of chemical reactions, but as per your syllabus, only 5 types of chemical reactions are given in your textbook. Let us know about one by one. First one is combination reaction, second one is decomposition reaction, third one is displacement reaction, fourth one is double displacement reaction, fifth one is oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction is also known as redox reaction. Let us know about combination reaction. Here one activity is given in your textbook. Let us know about it. In this activity, we take a small amount of calcium oxide, also known as quicklime, in a beaker and add slowly water to this. Look at this picture. Equation of this reaction: when calcium oxide solid state reacts with water and produce calcium hydroxide CaOH twice plus heat. Calcium oxide is quicklime, calcium hydroxide is slaked lime. Observation of this reaction. In this reaction, calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide, and also releasing a large amount of heat. Calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product, that is calcium hydroxide. From this reaction, we can say that combination reaction is a reaction in which single product is formed from two or more reactants. Dear students, do you know this? A solution of slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide, produced by this reaction is used for whitewashing walls. After whitewashing, calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with the carbon dioxide in air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is formed after 2 to 3 days of whitewashing and gives a shiny finish to the walls. Chemical equation of this reaction: when calcium hydroxide CaOH twice, which is in aqueous form, reacts with atmospheric carbon dioxide and produce calcium carbonate solid state and water. Calcium hydroxide calcium carbonate. It is interesting to note that the chemical formula of marble is also calcium carbonate, that means 3. Let us know about more examples of combination reactions. First one, burning of coal. Coal means it is a form of carbon. When carbon reacts with atmospheric oxygen or burns with atmospheric oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and heat. Second example, formation of water from hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. When hydrogen reacts with oxygen, it produces water. And small amount of heat. From the examples, we can also say that when two or more substances, elements or compounds combine to form a single product, the reactions are called combination reactions. In combination reaction, we also observed that a large amount of heat is evolved and makes the reaction mixture warm. Such type of reactions are called exothermic reactions. Exothermic reaction means reactions in which heat is released along with formation of products are called exothermic reactions. Examples of exothermic reactions: burning of natural gas. Natural gas means methane, that is CH4. When methane reacts with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and water. And heat. Methane is gaseous state, gaseous, liquid, heat. Second example, respiration. When carbohydrate, that is glucose C6H12O6 reacts with oxygen O2, it produces carbon dioxide water and energy. Energy means ATP molecules. ATP molecules means adenosine triphosphate molecules. 6. This is the example for respiration, which is a exothermic reaction. Let us know about decomposition reaction. Here also one activity is given. Let us know about activity. In this activity, we take about 2 gram ferrous sulfate crystals in a dry boiling tube. Note the color of the ferrous sulfate crystals. Heat the boiling tube over the flame of burner or spirit lamp. Look at this picture. Observation of this reaction. We observed green color of the ferrous sulfate crystals have changed to white color. green color changes to white color. Smell the characteristic odor of burning sulfur. We can also observe that a single reactant breaks down to give simpler products. Chemical equation of this reaction: ferrous sulfate FeSO4 solid state. When heated, it produces ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. In this reaction, ferrous sulfate crystals lose water when heated and the color of the crystals changes. From this reaction, we can say that the reaction in which single reactant breaks down to give simpler products are called decomposition reaction. Dear students, most of the decomposition reactions are endothermic reactions because they use energy in the form of heat, light or electricity. Decomposition reactions require energy either in the form of heat, electricity or light for breaking down the reactants. The reaction in which energy is absorbed are known as endothermic reactions. Types of decomposition reactions. On the basis of type of energy required, decomposition reaction classified into three types. First one is thermal decomposition reaction, second one is electrolytic decomposition reaction, third one is photo or light decomposition reaction. Let us know about thermal decomposition reaction. When a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, it is called thermal decomposition reaction. Example: decomposition of calcium carbonate to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide on heating. Equation of this reaction: calcium carbonate CaCO3 solid state, when it is heated, it decomposes to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide is known as quicklime. Calcium carbonate is known as limestone. In this reaction, the product formed calcium oxide, quicklime, has many uses. One is in the manufacture of cement. Second example: heating of lead nitrate and emissions of nitrogen dioxide. Chemical equation of this reaction: lead nitrate PbNO3 twice. When heated, it produces or decomposes to lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Lead nitrate, lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, oxygen. Let us know about second one, electrolytic decomposition reaction. Here also one activity is given in your textbook. Let us know about it. In this activity, Take a plastic mug, drill 2 holes at its base and fit rubber stoppers in these holes. Insert carbon electrodes in these rubber stoppers. Connect these electrodes to a 6-volt battery. A 6-volt. Fill the mug with water such that the electrodes are immersed. Add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to the water. Take 2 test tubes filled with water and invert them over the 2 carbon electrodes. Switch on the current and leave the apparatus undisturbed for some time. Once the test tubes are filled with the respective gases, remove them carefully and find out which gas is present in each test tube. Observation of this reaction: formation of bubbles at both the electrodes. These bubbles displace water in the test tubes. The volume of the gas collected not same in both the test tubes. Conclusion of this activity: the amount of gas collected towards the cathode electrode side test tube is double of the amount collected in test tube of anode electrode, that is 2:1 ratio. Hydrogen, oxygen 2:1. The double amount of gas is hydrogen and single amount of gas is oxygen. Hydrogen collected test tube burns with pop sound when bringing a burning candle close to the mouth of the test tube. Oxygen collected test tube burns with dazzling flame. Chemical equation of this reaction: 2H2O electrolysis oxygen and hydrogen. Dear students, here amount of hydrogen is double because water contains 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen. Therefore, the amount of hydrogen and oxygen produced during electrolysis of water is in a 2:1 ratio. Let us know about photo or light decomposition reaction. Here also one activity is given in your textbook. Let us know about it. In this activity, we take 2 gram silver chloride in a china dish. Look at this picture. Place this china dish in sunlight for some time. After some times, the observation of this reaction: white silver chloride turns gray in sunlight. Chemical equation of this reaction: when AgCl silver chloride when exposed to sunlight, it turns to silver and chlorine. This is due to the decomposition of silver chloride into silver and chlorine by light. So, it is known as light or photo decomposition reaction. Dear students, silver bromide also behaves in the same way. The chemical equation of this reaction: when silver bromide AgBr, which is in solid state, when exposed to sunlight, it turns to silver and bromine. This photo decomposition reaction are used in black and white photography. Dear students, in the next video we will discuss remaining types of chemical reactions, and thank you for watching this video.